we have a question here. Use place value notation to find the value of the number modeled by the base 10 blocks shown. So they give us a set of blocks here. To solve this problem, we need to understand what these blocks are. Each of these small blocks represent the number 1. This rod here has 10 small blocks, and we know that each of these small blocks represent 1. Therefore, we can say this rod represents 10. And finally, these large squares here have 10 sets of rods. And we know that each rod has 10 small blocks. Therefore, each of these large squares represent 100. To use place value notation to find the value of the number represented by these blocks, what we can do is start from counting how many of each set of blocks do we have. First, let's find out how many 1s we have. So we know that each small block represents 1. So our question is, how many small blocks do we have that are not grouped together? And in this case, we have 5 small blocks. Next, how many 10s do we have? As we can see, we only have one of these sets of 10. Therefore, we have one 10 block. Therefore, there is one 10 rod, which is 10. And finally, how many 100 squares do we have? Well, we can see there are 2 of these. So that means we have 200 1s blocks. So that means the total value of these large squares is 200. And therefore, we can add these numbers up to get our final number, which is 215. And that is the value of the number modeled by the base 10 blocks shown. Thank you.